In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thumbnail to a Telegram file. To get started, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure you're in the account where you want to upload the video. Once you're inside the app, go to the group or channel where you want to share your file. This is important because the thumbnail will be attached during the upload process, so you'll want to begin from the exact chat where the video is going to be posted. When you're in the right group or channel, tap the attachment icon. This will open the media and file options on your phone, allowing you to browse through your content. From here, select the video you want to upload. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct video, especially if you have multiple versions saved on your device. After selecting the video, look for the option that says Edit Cover. This is the feature that lets you customize the image people will see before they play the video. A good thumbnail can make your upload look cleaner, more professional, and easier for viewers to recognize at a glance. Tap on Edit Cover and then choose the option that says Choose from Gallery. This will let you use an image already saved on your device instead of relying only on a frame from the video itself. Once your gallery opens, select the thumbnail image you want to use. It's a good idea to use a clear image that matches the content of the video since that helps viewers immediately understand what the file is about. After you choose your thumbnail, check that everything looks the way you want. If the preview appears correct, you're ready for the final step. Go ahead and upload the video to your group or channel. That's all there is to it. By following this process, you can make your Telegram video uploads look more polished and easier to identify. If you're posting content regularly, using custom thumbnails can also help keep your channel or group looking organized and consistent. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add a thumbnail to a Telegram file.